this is 1425 45th Avenue Northeast. And we are past the kitchen right now. So we're going to pull back. This is the PVC pipe that was cut in to the kitchen, 3-inch. So we're going to go back forward a little bit. And we're going to stop where we can see the water coming out, and then I'll go shut the kitchen sink off. I just want to show that we are in the correct line. About right there, Sonny. That's perfect. So this is coming from the other side of the house, and this is where the kitchen sink is dumping in. There's little doggies in there. Okay, so I've turned that kitchen sink off. Now we're going to camera all the way out and make sure the pipe looks good. Nice and round and beautiful. No more big chunk blobs of grease.
Oh.
You're okay. You want to come out?
Did you find a bunch of nasty stuff out there?
Yeah, I'm looking at your pipe right now after we cleaned it to make sure it's all nice and beautiful. So I'm recording. This is recording us right now. So I'll be able to send this to you guys so you guys have a copy of it.
Wow.
See how nice it is now?
Is that nice?
Yeah. So see how nice and beautiful and round it is?
Yeah. Okay. So it's all nasty stuff? Like,
Oh yeah. There's a whole bunch of it down in this ditch.
it's just like the, what do you call it? Like,
You there?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're coming to go ahead and come out the pipe. So we're coming out of the pipe now down in the clean out, and I'm going to conclude the video.